written in 1985 by Tom Waits from the album of the same name. I play it here capoed up on the 3rd fret. Everything I said will be relative. That capo, if I say I'm playing an A minor, it's going to look like this. To play it along with the album, you have to capo up here on the 9th fret. I don't care to play up that high. And if you capo it up in here, up on 9th, it's in F sharp minor, which is in the key they played in on the album. There are only 4 chords in this song: an A minor, a B flat, an E, and a D minor. With this F bass, you don't play the first string. So the first run is like this. This first run is an A minor. You're just hitting an A in the bass, and you're playing the 4th, 3rd strings, and then 2nd string open, C, B, A, and then you go to the B flat chord. B flat chord, it's the 3rd string and 4th string. Now to embellish a little bit on that, I'm hitting an A in the bass, and then an E in the bass, and then an E again in the bass. Bass, 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 bass. And then I hit a 6th string. 2, 3, 4, or 3, 4, 5. And so when you get to the E, you hit a bass, you skip 5, and you hit 4, 3, 2, and then the C note on 2, which is on the 1st fret, and back open, and then to the A minor. On the A minor is all an A minor chord. On the 3rd string, 2nd fret, keeping the 4th string on the 2nd fret, you go down 1 on the 3rd string to the 1st, go down 1 more, and then when you get here, you're hitting an A as the bass, to down to the E chord. This next run starts with an E chord. B is your melody, and then you move to an A minor chord. And that's A, B, C. And then do it again. C, B, and then when you get back to the A minor, you do that A minor run again. Repeat. And then you get to the D minor chord. This D minor chord can be played with an F bass, and then a D bass, and then an E chord. Hitting the B note on your second string as your melody. Walk down to the A minor. The D minor can be played with the D first, and then the F second. Back to the E. Then back to the beginning of the song. And the melody for the D minor chord is D, C on the second string, B on the second string, A on the third string, and then the E chord. Playing a B note as your melody. And then the final walk down is E on the first string, D, C, B,